What is DYOR? DYOR basically means do your own research. Now, this is a common terminology found in the cryptocurrency sphere. However, it's not just for cryptocurrency. It applies to almost everything on the internet. Now, this abbreviation exists because before you invest into any crypto project, you need to do your own research. If you are doing your own research for a crypto project, these are a few things to take notice of. One of which is the project's website. You have to make sure you are looking out for spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, and possible weird website links just to avoid investing into something that might end up ripping you off. Other things to check include white paper, market metrics, social media pages to ensure that they are really legit. The token or coin has utility. You also need to make sure you do a thorough research on the team and developers involved in this particular project. You have to check for partnerships for this project, liquidity for this project as well. If you want to detect if a specific project is a honeypot scam, you just have to head onto the website honeypot.is to check it out. Binance Academy is a place to learn more about crypto and blockchain. The website is academy.binance.com. I'm Delppy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Binance platform for more crypto information like this one. Good talk more, Charlie.